probability that lifetimes of mice between 37 and 49 months. And third, determine the lifetimes in months of the mice if the probability that the life of mice will greater than 0.898. A random sample of 100 patients was selected. If the probability that a patient recovers from a bird flu disease is 0.4898, we let K as lifetime of mice that we want to find it in months. So we write it in Px greater than K equal to 0.898 using the formula x minus mean over standard deviation. Px greater than K minus 40 over 6.3 equal to 1 minus 0.898. And we get Px greater than K minus 40 over 6.3 equal to Z 0.102. So look at the table of distribution number 3. For Z 0.102, we will get 1.27, and we will solve it. So K minus 40 over 6.3 equal to 1.27, and we will get K equal with 48.001. So we round it as 48 months. Question 6b. Since the question want the probability that less than 55 survive, we will use approximation. So we will list out all the information given. So we get n equal to 100, p equal to 0.4. To do approximation, we have to look at all the conditions, whether they meet the requirements or not. So we get n equal to 100, which is greater than 30. So we can change it to Poisson distribution or normal distribution. So we look for p. P we get 0.4, which is greater than 0.1. So we cannot change binomial to Poisson distribution, and so we try to multiply it with n, and we get np equal to 40, which is greater than 5. So we can change it from binomial into normal distribution. And to find q, we just minus it with 1. So 1 minus 0.4, we get 0.6, and try to multiply it with n, we get nq equal to 60 and greater than 5. Since all the information meet the requirements to change it to normal, so we write the notation for normal, which is x has distribution n, np, npq. So we get x has distribution n, 40, 24. The question want probability that less than 55, so px less than 55, and since we change it from binomial to normal, which is discrete to continuous, we have to either at 0.5 or minus 0.5. Since it less than 55, so we have to px 55 minus with 0.5, and we get px less than 54.5, and solve it using the formula, which is x minus mean over standard deviation. We get p z less than 54.5 minus 40 over square root 24, and we get p z less than 2.9598 using the table number 3, and we get 0.00154, and since it's less than, so we have to minus it with 1, and we get 1 minus 0.00154 equal to 0.998446.